Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today I've got a designer choice to share with you. It's a set of corners, but so much more. The die set will come to you on an acetate, in a poly pocket, ready for you to pop into your file. These are the outer shapes that come with the poly pocket. So we've got some small outer edges here, absolutely gorgeous corners. We've got larger corners. Again, they work as corners, but as you'll see, they work so much more. And there's also a pocket. So they are your starting point. They are your main shapes. But where do you go from there afterwards? You start then with your outer edges, but you can also pop the patterns in. So you've got a verso edge on these. So we've got the patterns in the centre, which you can cut into your cardstock, but you can also cut them into the outer edge. They're beautiful, beautiful patterns, so filigree, so delicate, and add a lovely laser cut technique. In the centre, we've got the larger dies. Again, they'll make a lovely pattern in the centre of your card or on the corners. And they're also cut into the outer edge. We've got 2 sentiments to add to it to finish off your cards. So let's have a little look at some of these cards that the girls have sent in. So we've got one from Shilpa, and she's made a lovely pocket. But on the back, she's also added a little bit for a gift card. It's a beautiful idea. She's layered up the dies, so she's made the 2 pocket dies, but she's also added another layer on top and then finished off the pull out with 2 little corners. Beautiful card there, Shilpa. Christine's done a little bit of pattern building. So she's used one of the corners to make a mandala and then added a little sentiment. Lovely, lovely card. Really like that one. And a nice idea as well. Vicky's gone all out and she's added the corners into the cardstock, but she's also used them in the centre of the card, cut into the layers. And she's popped some foam pads to add depth. Another gorgeous card today, Vicky. And then the last one, Ruth has cut the patterns into the cardstock to give you a laser cut effect. So lots of lovely ideas that you can make from these cards, but I'm sure you are going to come up with a lot more. Join us on another video for some inspiration. See you soon. Bye.